Hello, my name is Luana Okino Sawada. I will be walking you through on how to import data in Forex software. Before beginning, I would like to introduce my mentor and product owner, Professor Masoud Sadjadi. We'll download the data on this web page, Duca's copy. The link is on the description. So to download it, we just need to come to majors, Euro USD. The parameters here I put candlestick 1 minute, then it's gonna let you choose from a date to another date. Here millions and days time UTC and here GMT. Okay, download it. So this is the file that I downloaded, and this is the file that Forex accepts. So we can see the difference is that we have the date, and then we have a common, and then we have the hour and the minute. So this is the format for the time. And on this file that we just downloaded, we have a space, and then we have the time on this format. So we don't need that. All of the rest is the same. So I'm just gonna erase this first line we're not gonna be using, and then you can come edit and then replace. Then here I'm just gonna put space, and I'm gonna replace with a common. Replace all. After that is done, we're gonna come here and we're gonna copy from here, from the column until the common. We're gonna copy this, we're gonna replace. So we're gonna find this and we're gonna replace with a common, and then we're gonna replace all. And we're just gonna copy the first line here. We're gonna paste here. Make sure to save it as a CSV file. Once we save, we're gonna open Forex. Then we're gonna come to Tools, History Center, and then here, 1 minute. That's what I downloaded. So you click on the minute that you want, and you click on Import. Here I'm just gonna browse. We're gonna import our data. We're gonna open, and it's gonna be recognized here. It has to show you here. If it doesn't show, it's because it's not recognizing the pattern. Okay, so we're just gonna select everything. So you hold Shift and you click on the last one. So you click on the first one, you hold Shift, and you click on the last one, and then you hit OK. And the data is here. See, I did from the 1st of June of 2017 until the 31st of July. So we have the data here, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to email me and send any feedbacks, or if you have any questions about the video, at lokin001@fiu.edu. Or if you have any questions about the project, you can contact my mentor and project owner at sadjidi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for watching the video.